Pretty green for a beach, yeah. Looks pretty pokey too.
This silly cockatoo is standing on top of the lamp and he's just calling out, making so much noise. Can you hear that? Happy birthday. Ayat, your turn.
You, but I don't have my microphone, so I cannot hear you. We went surfing. I caught, I think, 2 big waves, and then I managed to get onto close to the shore. I crashed in the end, but it was fun. And then, yeah, it's really cool. But look at her, there are 2 types of people. Yeah, and then there's me. Okay, we'll go up there and take picture of the Bondi icebergs. Wow, it's so pretty, it's so unreal. We are in. Is this Darling Harbour? No,
Singapore River.
Oh, this one is the Singapore Flyer, and this one is what is it? The Louis Vuitton building. And then this one, what is this? This one is Clarke Quay.
Yeah, Esplanade.
Oh, Esplanade. Okay. Where we teach a car. Hello.
Good morning, it is day 2 of our trip.
Bruh.
Oh no! It's day 3. Today is 3rd December. So we just rented our car from No Birds Rental. The car looks clean. Later we'll get a car tour. And then
Will we?
I hope we will. And then now we are heading to Glebe Market. Yes. So right now the sky is a little bit blue with some grey clouds. And she's tired of the vlog already. Okay, what do you have to say? I would like a coffee. Yes, she would like a coffee.
No wonder I'm so grumpy.
Yeah, that's why she's so grumpy. So, let's get a coffee and then we will talk. Alright, bye.
Anxiety.
Like for real, what do you have?
Soy matcha and flat white.
Is she gonna burn herself? Is she gonna burn herself? How does it compare to yesterday? So we took an hour's drive from our rental and now we are at Fairview Markets. There are a lot of things here. Parking is very big and it's so hot. It's hot now. It's so smooth. I want to buy. Can I buy?
We found the Asian. It's so cute. I didn't film any of anything we were talking about. I'm so done. We just finished. Yeah, we just finished this market, Fairfield Markets. Alright, move on. And what are your thoughts about the market? So full? Yeah, so full. I had one kebab and a few mouthfuls of hers.
Yeah. And she finished the whole kebab.
Because it's 3 PM and I had coffee only since we woke up at what time we wake up?
7:30. You would think this is the first time having this conversation, but no, this is actually the second time because we forgot to film. I mean, I forgot.
It's a you problem.
Oh, thank you. So nice of you. Okay, I'm really filming for real this time. Okay, we reached our accommodations at Katoomba. And now we are going to Coles to get some groceries. Can you go the other one?
Don't know. We just got
Focus, right? We're gonna get fruits and water. And then after that, we're gonna go back, shower and get ready for our night gazing tour. She keeps bumping into me. Okay, anyway, So yes, we're gonna get stone fruits, get other fruits. Yeah, okay, let's go. Can I borrow a sticky hand? Somebody. There we go. This is number 1. I know how much is one key. We went to the supermarket. We said we're going to buy water and fruits. Don't get distracted. And then we came back with $60 worth of snacks.
We just have issues. It's for all of you lah. All of you watching. It's nonsense. You're the reason we spend so much.
Alright. So you know why she went like this? Not because she's cold, but because she doesn't want to park. Anyway, we have parked at the car park. We found the way here. And then now we are heading to go for stargazing, as we talked about just now. Yeah, so we just saw the sunset view. Is amazing. It's like unreal. Okay, and then now we're just heading into the darkness and we will make our way out. We'll be safe and sound. Alright, see y'all there. Bye bye.